New at 4, legal troubles are not over for an East Tennessee man convicted on child pornography charges. Last week, it took a jury only 38 minutes to convict Sean Williams. Reporter Caleb Perney breaks down the other cases still pending against him.
The guilty verdict concluded the second of two trials involving Sean Williams at Greenville's federal courthouse. Those cases are for producing child porn and Williams' escape from a prison transport van last year, where he was eventually captured a month later in Florida. Sentencing in February could put Williams in prison for up to 90 years, but that is not the end of the cases against him. News 5 is tracking at least 7 criminal cases against Williams, and he's at the center of 3 lawsuits. The likely next steps will be 2 federal cases in western North Carolina. They stem from his arrest at Western Carolina University in April 2023, where officers say they found Williams slumped over the steering wheel of his car at 2 a.m. with a bag full of hard drives in the back seat, which were later found to contain child porn. He's facing a charge of possession of meth and cocaine, a charge of transporting child porn across state lines, and 2 counts of possessing child porn. Meanwhile, there are at least 3 state cases against Williams in Washington County, Tennessee. Those include 2 counts of rape of a child, 1 count of aggravated rape of a child, 3 counts of aggravated sexual battery, and 20 counts of especially aggravated sexual exploitation of a minor. Court documents in those cases reveal other potential crimes where he's not yet been charged. The documents say the hard drives allegedly discovered in Williams' car included approximately 52 female victims depicted in images or videos being sexually assaulted by Williams. Johnson City Police and former officers are also still facing 3 separate lawsuits related to their handling of Williams' cases. A lawsuit by a former federal prosecutor who says she was fired for calling attention to the issue is on hold as the sides argue whether to require defendants to provide more evidence. A separate lawsuit by Michaela Evans, an alleged victim who says she fell out the window of Williams' condo, is also on hold. Defendants there argue they should not be required to provide evidence and that Evans has no standing. A third lawsuit by anonymous alleged victims is set for trial in August. Both sides are still arguing about what evidence officers must provide.
That was Caleb Perney reporting. And again, Williams faces 90 years in prison when he's sentenced in February for last week's conviction and his escape conviction.